What is the key to a successful data migration? You need two things: migration plan and automated data importing tool. So, how to run a demo migration to Freshdesk? First, create corresponding custom fields and add agents on Freshdesk. Then move on to Freshdesk Demo Migration. Let's start simple. Sign into your Migration Wizard account. If you don't have one, create it with email or a suitable social media. Then connect your source platform. You might need to provide access credentials or undergo OAuth authentication. Connect Freshdesk as your target platform. You need the URL of your company's Freshdesk account and the API key to do so. Then choose the data you want to import. If you pick up groups, you need to match them too. Press on Match Items to map groups. You can also choose a default group and add the missing groups to Freshdesk. Then match agents' profiles. Here you can do the same things as with groups. Pick a default agent and add the missing agents to Freshdesk. Moving forward, map ticket fields. When migrating to Freshdesk, you can map both default and custom fields. Do it carefully to preserve data relations. If you haven't created custom fields on Freshdesk before migration, you can do it while mapping. After you've mapped all tickets, press Save. Then map article fields. When you are done, pick up the needed automated options. In case of data import to Freshdesk, you can add tags to migrated tickets, skip attachments, migrate inline images as ticket attachments, one-time demo with custom data. Finally, press Continue to start demo migration. During this data transfer, our tool moves 20 random tickets and articles from your current help desk to Freshdesk. As soon as your demo migration finishes, you will see a table with 4 columns. All available records, migrated records, failed records, skipped records. Look through the results by downloading reports on migrated, failed, and skipped records. When everything looks great, choose the needed support plan and proceed to payment. Now you can initiate the full data migration.